Hello everyone, today I share another website to create directory submission backlink, and I show how to create a directory submission backlink on this video. So don't skip the video and never forget to subscribe my channel. Let's go. At first I am copy the website URL to check website DA and PA. Because to create a backlink it's very important this website domain authority, page authority and spam score. You can see this website domain authority is 29 and page authority is 15 and spam score is only 1%. It will be very helpful for us to create backlink. Now we enter the website. After we enter the website, you can see like this interface. The website name is abstractdirectory.net. To create backlink, you have to choose at first your website category. I am choose my website category. After choose the category, you have to click on submit link. After click on submit link, you can see like this form. Click on link free. Go to step 3 and then you can see like this interface. You have to give there your website title. Now I am copying my website title and post here. You can see here your URL option are available. You have to push here must be your website URL. Then you have to give your website description, and I am copy the website description. Now I am give my name as a owner. This here you can give your Gmail address, and this option keep blank and fill up the captcha. Then click on I agree with the submission rules and click on continue. Then you can see link submitted. This way you can take unlimited backlink from this website. Thanks for watching.